three beautiful ladies standing before me, but I only have one photo in my hands. And this photo represents who will be America's Next Top Model Cycle 3 winner. Jossa, your photo shows the beauty inside you. Your attitude is very good, and your photos, and it reflects from your photos. However, Casey, you did a very, a very charva, a very charva photos. They are not that excellent. They are just average, mediocre. For Mamu, you have the most beautiful photos, and you really did the best for this cycle. Who will be the next America's Next Top Model? Our second runner-up is Casey. Sorry, Casey. Goodbye. Go back home and pack your belongings and go home. Go back.
Go back na kasi. Plastic ka. Duwata na. Speech.
I hate this life. I hate this. I think I don't deserve to be the second runner-up.
Okay.
Yun yan.
Two remaining stunning beauties in America's Next Top Model Cycle 3. Who will be America's Next Top Model? Would it be Jossa?
According to your choice.
Or would it be Mamu?
Sana mo na, ma'am.
America's Cycle 3 Top Model winner is no other than Mamu.
You don't deserve that.
You are a winner!
You don't deserve that. You didn't deserve that.
Patay na kayo. Casey,
I'll file my petition. You better talk to my lawyer.
panoorin na natin. Tama na. Dito rin.